Welcome to the DeltaMath tutorial. This is going to be covering the basic exponent rules. Here we have this problem. It says to simplify to a single power of 3. 3 to the 6th times 3 to the 5th. This is going to require us to understand our properties of our exponents. You should have your list of properties of your exponents. If you take a look, this is a product of power because you are multiplying the same base of 3. So what you are going to do is you're going to add the exponent. So the base is still 3. The exponents here add 6 plus 5. So the final answer is 3 to the 11th power because this is a product of power. So you answer 3 to the 11th power. Good. Next, you have something like 2/4 to the 5th power. 2/4 to the 5th power. If we take a look at our properties of exponents, this is a power of a product. This is an exponent, and this is another exponent. Like it says, you're going to multiply the exponent. So 2, the exponent is 4. We're going to multiply it to the 5. This becomes 2 to the 20th power. If you would like to see it, they explain it in very interesting detail here. They show that this is 2 to the 4th power. And they had that to the 5th power. That means that is going to be multiplied by 5 times. Together, there are 22s. So it's 2 to the 20th power. Next, you might have something like this, which is 2 to the 5th divided by 2. 2 to the 5th divided by 2. There's really an exponent of 1 here, but no one draws that. If we take a look at our property list, we will see that this is a quotient of an exponent. This is what you do when you do a division of the bases. So you subtract the exponents. So the same base is the same, which is 2. You're going to have 5. Now you're going to subtract the exponent. So it's 5 minus 1. And your final answer is going to be 2 to the 4th power. There you go. All right. So those are all your different ways to do basic exponent rules.